Good morning to all of you, dear student. Today we will discuss these points. Capacitor. What do you mean by capacitance? Capacitance in spherical capacitor, piezoelectric capacitor, and combination of capacitor like series and parallel. Now, question is, what is capacitor? Capacitor, it is an arrangement of two conductor. Arrangement of two conductor having insulated medium between them to store electric charge or electric energy. So what do you mean by capacitor? Capacitor is an arrangement of two conducting conductor, insulated medium between them, which is used to store electric charge and electric energy, is called capacitor. The representation of capacitor is like this, denoted C, and representation of variable capacitor like this, variable capacitor. Now question is, what do you mean by capacitance? Capacitance means, suppose a charge Q is given to a conductor. Its potential increase. A charge Q means small q given to a conductor. Its potential increase. Suppose we increase the magnitude of charge, potential will also increase. In this way we can say, हम इसको ऐसे कह सकते हैं, किसी के जेब में पैसे रख दिए तो उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ गई. इट मीन्स Q charge given to a conductor, potential increase. Again we increase the magnitude of charge, again potential increase. Then we conclude that, or you can say, we can say Q directly proportional to V. आपने कहा था ना, मैंने भी कहा था, आपकी जेब में मैंने 200 रुपए रख दी, आपकी वैल्यू बढ़ गई, और मैंने 1000 रुपए डाल दी और वैल्यू बढ़ गई, पोटेंशियल बढ़ गया आपका. So Q proportional to V, Q equal to C. C is constant, that is capacitance. C equal to Q by V. What is Q? Charge. What is V? Potential. Unit of C, coulomb per volt. That is known as farad. Farad is the unit of electric potential, electric capacitance, or in way coulomb per volt. 1 farad equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 volt. Now in numerical problems, 1 millifarad, that is 10 to the power minus 3 farad. 1 microfarad, 10 to the power minus 6 farad. 1 picofarad, 10 to the power minus 12 farad. So in general way, capacitor to store the electric charge or to store the electric energy is called capacitor. Now question is, what are the factors depend on capacitor? What is the factor depend on capacitor? First, shape and size. Second, nature, permittivity of surrounding space. And third one is presence of conductor near this, near way. These are the factors depend on capacitor. Now next topic is capacitance due to spherical, isolated spherical conductor. Suppose this is a spherical conductor. Charge Q is distributed over it. The radius of conductor is R. Radius of conductor is R. So potential equal to K. K means 1 upon 4 pi F line Q by R. Capital Q or small q, as you like it, there is no problem. But C is equal to Q by V. Putting the value of V, so C is equal to 4 pi F line naught R, यानी C proportional to R. So capacitance in isolated spherical surface sphere C is equal to 4 pi F line naught R, C directly proportional to R. So first topic is capacitance, it is clear. Second topic, capacitance due to spherical conductor. Now third one is parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor means suppose there are two parallel plates. These are the two parallel plates A and B, having surface charge density or charge density distributed over it. They are separated a distance d, and area of each plate is A. In this case, there are three cases. First case, second case, and third case. Outside the plate, electric field is 0. Yani this side E equal to 0. This side E equal to 0. But between the plate, E is not 0. Question is, sometimes student asks, sir, why outside electric field is 0? Now, first case, E is equal to sigma upon 2 F line naught. Suppose E1 and E2, that is also a minus sigma upon or sigma upon 2 F line naught, but they are opposite direction. Due to opposite direction, net electric field is 0, cancel out. But between the plates, electric field is between the plates. So it is clear, outside electric field is 0, but between the electric field, E is equal to sigma upon F line naught. So between the plate, E is equal to sigma upon F line naught. Sigma is the surface charge density, that is Q upon A. So E is equal to Q upon A F line naught. Now we have to calculate potential between the plates. V is equal to ED. D means separation between the plate, E means electric field. So V is equal to E means Q upon A F line naught into D. But we have to calculate capacitance. So capacitance C is equal to Q upon V. Putting the value of V in this equation. So C is equal to Q upon A. Q upon V. V means QD upon A F line naught. Q cancel Q. So the value of C is A F line naught upon D. In this case, capacitance C is directly proportional to A. C is equal to A F line naught upon D. C proportional to A, C inversely proportional to D. So what are the capacitance between two parallel plates? C is equal to K F line A. D means separation, A means area plate, F line means permittivity of free space. Or capacitance depend area and separation between the two plates. This is the parallel plate of O. Now next topic is combination of capacitor. Combination. Combination of capacitor means there are two cases. First, series combination. Second, parallel combination. Series combination means 2 or 3 capacitor of capacitance C1, C2, C3 are connected in series. Now in series, suppose this is the first capacitor, second capacitor, third capacitor, C1, C2, C3, they are connected in series. So their potential difference is V1, potential difference is V2, again V3. Charge same, flow all the capacitor. Charge Q, any charge Q is same, flow all the capacitor. So this is the arrangement of in series combination. Three capacitors C1, C2, C3 are connected in parallel. Same charge Q flow in all capacitors. Let V1, V2, V3 be the potential difference across all the capacitors. So first we calculate potential difference across C1. The question is, formula is Q equal to CV, so V is equal to Q by C. So Q is same, V1 is equal to Q upon C1. Now potential difference across C, Q upon C2, and potential difference across capacitor 3, Q upon C2. Total potential V1, V2 plus V3, total potential, that is Q by C, Q by C1, Q by C2, Q by C3. Q cancel. Small q and capital Q, there is no difference. So Q is cancelled. This is the formula. It means when three or more capacitors are connected in series, net capacitance decrease. Because use this formula, 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Now second is parallel combination. Parallel combination means three capacitors are connected in parallel in such a way. First capacitor, second capacitor, third capacitor. C1, C2, C3. In this way, charge Q1, Q2, Q3. That means in parallel combination, charge is different, but potential is same. So in the same three capacitors of capacitance C1, C2 are connected in parallel, and same potential difference applied across the total capacitance, but charge Q1, Q2, Q3 flow across C1, C2, C3. So same way, Q1, C1V, Q2, C2V, Q3, C3. Total charge Q1 plus Q2 plus Q2 plus Q3, that is CV, C1, C2V, V common, so C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Conclusion is, in series combination, net capacitance decrease. In parallel combination, net capacitance increase. Okay, thank you very much.